You know that feeling when you find something that instantly transforms your life? Yeah, that's what happened when I discovered the Astercook 21 pieces pots and pans set. Imagine this: compact storage, easy to use, and a non-stick ceramic surface that's like magic for your kitchen. So, here we are with 21 pieces of pure cooking delight. You ever tried ceramic non-stick? It makes cooking feel like a breeze. None of that sticky, burnt mess to clean up after a delicious meal. And let's talk about the handles. Well, they're detachable. Mind blown, right? These nifty handles mean you can stack everything neatly. Perfect for tiny apartment kitchens or when you're out RVing across the country. The excitement doesn't stop there. Are you team induction or team gas stove? No worries, this set's got you covered either way. Even the oven isn't off limits with these bad boys. Multifunctional cooking, here we come. Worried about safety and health? These ceramic beauties are free from harmful chemicals. Cooking just got healthier, giving you peace of mind and meals that nourish your body and soul. Ever gone camping or on a road trip and thought, I wish I had good cookware? Well, this set's portability is your new travel buddy. Durable and easy to clean, it's like it was made for adventure. Let's face it, in today's fast-paced world, we need things that simplify life. The Astercook set does just that. Effortless stacking, efficient cooking, and quick cleaning. What's not to love? Ready to experience this cooking revolution? Click the link in the description to check out the Astercook set on Amazon. With its versatility and practicality, you'll wonder how you managed without it. Become the kitchen hero you dream of being. Dive into the world of Astercook and redefine how you cook at home or on the go.